Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my August boxy charm. So I've seen a few sneak peeks for this and I don't really know how I'm gonna feel about this one, but anyway, I have it, so let's just do this. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thank you for joining us, and if you guys are not new, thanks again for coming back and hanging out. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. To the year 2040, to the year 2040. Alright, so let's just dive right into this, and this month it is called Life of the Party, and then it's got the list, and then Laura Lee is on here. I do know about a palette that's in here, which is why I wasn't so super excited about it, but let's just jump right in. So in here is this here, and this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Sweatproof Lifted Mascara, and this is in black brown. So normally I only wear really dark mascara, as dark as I can get it, but this is what it looks like. This is the wand. I'm not going to do a swatch or anything for this one just because I don't think I'm actually going to keep this. I'm not a huge fan of getting mascaras in these boxes, and it's also completely gibbled, like it's dented. Only because they send you colors that I would never use and things like, I'm very particular about my mascara, so unfortunately that isn't something that I use. I do have a travel size of it and I have used it, so it's not like I don't like it and I haven't tried it. I have used it. So the Sweatproof mascara is $23. So then up next in here, I'm just gonna grab this glass container, and this is the NCLA Treatment So Rich Cuticle Oil. It's got vitamin E, and let me smell it. It smells pretty good. Alright, so here's the thing about cuticle oil. I get my nails done at a salon. They do my nails for me. I do not use this stuff on my own very often. They put it on when I'm done, make sure all my cuticles are fine. This isn't something that I probably will ever use on my own at home, so I will give it to somebody that I know does their own nails at home, but that is that, unfortunately. And then, so it's called So Rich Lollipop, which is, okay, so and this is an $18 cuticle oil, so okay. 2 out of the 6 items that I am not going to be using. So up next, I'm going to grab this here. And this is from Bang Beauty, and I have not received anything from a Bang Beauty before, so I'm going to do a bit of research. And this is in the color chocolate, I think. So this is an gel eyeliner, and I've seen this a little bit. I am going to do a bit of a swatch for you on this one. Oh, ignore my henna. That is not a really good swatch. That is so that is a decent color. It might be a little bit light for an eyeliner for me. I normally tend to like dark eyeliners, so it's just like a little thing like that. Like I was saying, it's going to be a little bit light for an eyeliner for me, but I have overheard that you can use it as an eyebrow gel, so maybe I will try that first before I decide to give it away to somebody. So I will end up trying the Bang Beauty product, the eyeliner. So the Bang Beauty eyeliner is $22, so that's not bad. Then there is this. So this is the Party Animal Laura Lee Los Angeles eyeshadow palette. It's got a nice mirror in it. That is okay. These are the colors. The reason why I'm not super excited about this and really don't want this is because I already have colors that are really similar to these. I have this Full Spectrum palette from Urban Decay. I have the Morphe like Brights palette. I can't remember the name of the 35 whatever it is. This right here doesn't scream anything I would ever really use very much. Not really happy about this. Not because it's a Laura Lee palette, because I do own the Cat's Pajamas palette. But the Party Animal palette, I'm not even going to swatch this because it's definitely going to be going to giveaway or giving to a friend or something. Unfortunately, this palette isn't something I will ever really actually use. These 3 colors here aren't something that I will particularly ever wear. They are way too blue for my skin tone, and I don't really look amazing with blue eyeshadows on. And then the only two colors I would ever use is the pink and probably the yellow, and I'm not going to keep a palette for two eyeshadows. So the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette is $19, which isn't actually too bad for the price that it is and the amount of eyeshadows that's in here, so that is a pretty decent price for it. Then in here is this here. So this is from Smashbox, and I like the way that if you turn it, it does different things. So this is a variation of one of the things you could have gotten, and this is the Be Legendary Pucker Up Lip Palette in neutral. So I'm just going to open that up for you. There is a mirror and a lip brush in there, which I probably will never use. Here's the thing, I don't really use palettes like this. I am going to try it out because it is Smashbox, and I actually really like Smashbox's lipsticks, but it's not something that I gravitate to in a palette form like this. It will be okay though if I like go on vacation. I'm hoping that some of these are matte because I don't really wear glossier lipsticks. Okay, so in here is, this one's called Coffee Run. This one's called Cognac, I think. This one's Famous. Safe Word Matte. Oh, this is a matte one here. Safe Word Matte. Then this one's Mauve Matte, and then this one's First Time Matte. Okay, so they are 3 matte ones and 3 glosses, I think. So these 3 are mattes down here, and then these 3 are glosses, I guess. So that will actually be okay. I probably will use this one. I'm not going to swatch them because it's lipstick and then I'm going to get it all over my hands at this point. So that is actually pretty cute, and I will actually use this one. So this is retails for $24, so that's not bad. So up last in my Boxy Charm for this month are these here, and there's 3 eye masks, and they are from Wander Beauty. We have gotten a mascara from Wander Beauty, and I actually really enjoy it. So I was kind of excited to see these this month. They've got gold on them on the back, so that's kind of cool. And these are called Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So that is kind of awesome, and I like the fact that there's 3 of them, and they retail for $13. So I'm assuming they probably come in a pack of 3 for the $13 and not $13 each, because that would be a bit crazy. Well, actually it's probably about normal, really. And these are individually foiled gold eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, because you know I need those. So I'm really excited for those. So let's see how much this month costs. It's $119 for this month, which is probably the lowest I've ever seen Boxy Charm be. It's pretty crazy that it's that low. Usually it's at least $125 for the value, but that's okay. Unfortunately, I am only going to be using 3 out of the 6 items, and then these 3 items I will not be using. That kind of sucks for this month. I don't know if this month was a miss for me. So if you actually get Boxy Charm and you got it this month, leave me a comment in the comments below if you liked or disliked this month. I'm not gonna rag on Boxy Charm, but this month is definitely something that I personally didn't enjoy as much as, like, say, the other ones. So it could just be August is kind of a weird month for them. Hopefully they step up their game for me personally anyway. But this month is the only month that I haven't actually liked in like the 2 years I've been getting Boxy Charm. So that's awesome. That was it for this Boxy Charm. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! So this month is called Bad and Boozy. It looks like it's a wine cup, but okay, so there's only 3 brushes this month, and that kind of sucks. So these better be an expensive set of brushes, but let's start off with this one here. This one is the Morphe G6.